Let's first define a software architecture. What do we mean by software architecture? So the design process for identifying the subsystems making up a system and the framework for subsystem control and communication is architecture design. Okay, so it's saying that, for example, this is the whole application that we are going to make. Okay, let's assume that this is the whole application that we are going to make. Now the process by which we identify or decompose this whole product into these boxes, okay, or we are calling them subsystems, okay, and the process with which they communicate with each other, okay, because when this product is going to work, then these components, they would have to communicate with each other. So the communication and how these subsystems are controlled, the mechanism for that and the decomposition of a system into the subsystem is architecture design. Okay, the output of this design process is a description of the software architecture. So